Today's costume is quick and easy and can easily be paired with other costumes for great sibling costumes. You need a cheap party hat with a wide brim, polyester batting, spray adhesive glue, a hot glue gun, gray paint, blue yarn, and blue felt. Spray the hat with the adhesive and add the polyester batting in small clumps. Keep adding the batting until you get your desired shape. Add some gray paint to give it a storm cloud look. Cut 2 layers of teardrop shapes from your felt. Cut several pieces of yarn in varying lengths. Sandwich the yarn between the drops and glue it together. Glue the top of the yarn to the brim of the hat. Pair with some black clothes or maybe a raincoat and boots and you're ready for trick-or-treating. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.